Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Throw ball. Let's know about game of throw ball. Index. The things that we will discuss about throw ball are: first, substitution; second, timeout; third, details of equipment. In that we will see: first, throw ball net measurement; second, throw ball description; third, other equipment. Substitution. Point number 1. Substitute players must be in the team of 12 players and allowed to sit in the extra player box. Second point. Substitution is the act by which the referee authorizes the player to leave the court and another player to occupy by the same order position. Point number 3. Substitution must be done from the specified substitution or with the permission of the referee. Point number 4. Maximum 3 substitutions are permitted per team per set. A player can be resubstituted in the same set. Point number 5. Substitution will be allowed when the ball is dead. Point number 6. Any player can substitute among 12 players at any time during the play. Timeout. Point number 1. Each team may call for timeouts in the set at any time for rest and discussion. Point number 2. Duration of every timeout will be of 30 seconds. Point number 3. Coach may call for timeout. In the absence of coach, captain may call for it. Point number 4. To demand time of authorized person as per rules showing signals to the referee, then referee will allow for timeout. Point number 5. During the timeout, players are not allowed to leave the ground without permission of referee. Point number 6. Referee may call official or technical timeout if required. Point number 7. The timeout will be allowed when the ball is dead. Throw ball. Ball description. Point number 1. The ball must be spherical in shape and outer side shall be leather or rubber. Point number 2. The size of the ball shall be measured when inflated between 70 cm to 72 cm in circumferences, and the ball weight should be 400 grams to 450 grams. Point number 3. Only ball marks with the officially TFI, that's means Throw Ball Federation India, logo will be allowed in the tournament. In case of unavailability of TFI balls, then it may be used with the approval of the technical committee and organizing committee. The ball may be changed only for reasons of necessity is deflated or lost. Net height for senior women's group from the center 2.30 meter. Net height for senior men's group from the center 2.30 meter. Net length is 12.20 meter. Net width is 1 meter. The net shall be made up either cotton or nylon. Pole to pole distance is 12.50 meter. Pole diameter is 10 centimeter. Pole height is 2.30 meter. And pole shall be measured from the playing surface. The pole should be made of metal and must be painted in white color. Pole and sideline distance between. Pole placed at distance of 0.50 or 1 meter from sideline to pole. Net band. Above the net band is 5 cm. Below the net band is 5 cm. Antenna. Total length is 1.80 meter and 80 cm above the net and 1 meter with the net. Antenna diameter is 1 cm. 10 cm strips of color used, preferably red and white. Two antennae are attached to the net above the sidelines. The rods pass 80 cm vertically up from the sidelines and mark the boundary for where the ball can be played. 10 cm square black mesh. Each net box is 10 by 10 centimeters and total boxes are 1000. Other equipment. This is for players. Players of a team are uniformly dressed in jersey, shorts, socks and sports shoes. Jersey of each team has a different color. This is part 3 video of throw ball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important point and ground measurement.